Dugaboo, my original song by Flame Dugaboo. You said that I'm gonna take control. Oh yeah, you said I don't wanna lose it all. This isn't the beat of the drum and a minute I need her. This is the fireflies, I don't need her. That's another take control of body. Trying to figure out that sticks and stones may break my bones. But they say that words may never hurt me. Yes, they say that I don't know what it's like to be in it's out of my control now. You're beating like a drum. Oh. Your dancing lips on the taste of my lips. My cherry chapstick, I wanna kiss, yeah. I'm gonna miss it now. Gonna miss it out, yeah. Don't really not so ready. Oh. Say your chips like lips and yeah. I don't even know that it's out of my control now. Things are down, things are out of my control now. Yeah, like this. I wanna be famous. I don't know which way to go sometimes. Yeah, sometimes you let it go. Sometimes you regret it and I know. Oh, 'cause I get to see the darkness in the rain when you look and staring back at me. Oh, that is not the same. Yeah, I don't know when it's out of my control. Takes the night to tell this. I don't even know it's no about. Yeah, don't you know that?